Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for November 24th of 2024 is titled Journey to the Center of the Galaxy. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a video clip that we will watch in just a moment showing a trip in toward the central regions of our galaxy. Now the galaxy itself is really hidden from view. Well, we can see the Milky Way. So we can see that glowing of stars across the sky. Actually, the galactic center is completely hidden from us because it would be incredibly bright because of the vast number of stars located in that area. But there is so much dust between us in that region that we are unable to see the center of our galaxy, at least not in visible light. But other types of light allow us to penetrate that. And we're going to see some of this from studies looking and zooming in through the inner parts of the Milky Way toward that center. So as we watch the video, we can then we see our Milky Way at first, and then we will see two constellations, Sagittarius and Scorpius. And as we zoom in just above a section of Sagittarius moving in, we will start to see many of those star clouds as we approach the central regions of our galaxy. So there are stars upon stars here. And that's what we see as the Milky Way, as the combined light of all these stars blurred together. And now we're seeing them actually in many cases as individual stars. Now we will continue to zoom in and look at the very central regions. And at this point, we will actually mark a specific region at the center. And it might not look like anything's there. But we are looking very close to the supermassive black hole at the center. And here we can see one gas cloud and how it moved around that supermassive black hole between the years of 2003 through 2011. So it runs forward and then it runs back in reverse, allowing us to see the motions of that specific gas cloud. But we can also see motions of other objects there in the same image. Now, of course, we can play this again and let's take a look at it. And again, we see our Milky Way, and then Sagittarius, that portion of it is known as the teapot. And just off the spout of the teapot is the central region of our galaxy. We see those dense clouds plus a lot of hydrogen regions glowing in red. And as we continue zooming in, we start to see the stars again, more and more stars. We've passed some of the dense star clouds, but we're still seeing even more as we work our way in toward the center. And then we will get to the very central regions and it will start to look like there's almost nothing there. But in reality, we're approaching the region around a black hole that is about 4 million times the mass of our own sun. And we'll see that highlighted region again, and we can watch that dust cloud as it moves around the central black hole of our galaxy. So here we get to see the central regions of our galaxy as we look in towards those portions that are normally hidden from us in terms of looking at them with visible light. So that was our picture of the day for November 24th of 2024. It was titled Journey to the Center of the Galaxy. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Dark Horse. So we can see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.